All right guys, today auxbeam sent us some headlights. Shout out to them. They're hooking it up. We're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing, a little bit of a review, and we're gonna show them, compare them to stock, see what we're getting into here. Haven't opened these yet. They haven't let me open them. I'm pretty excited. We got the Starlight Flow LED headlights. Got the sticker. Gotta have the sticker.
Compared to the old ones?
Check these bad boys out. They do look sick. If you feel like a kid on Christmas when you get to do stuff like this. A little bit of wiring here and some gloves. So shout out auxbeam for trying to keep us safe. And then more wiring to hook everything up. So yeah, there's everything that comes with it. We've got 5 different modes. We got low beam, high beam, DRL, and turn signals. So let's get into the install and see how they look. There. Headlight out.
Zach, you completed these tools.
Sometimes I do want to set. I have to choose my thing.
What is that?
This is like one of the best things there.
Is that to push? Is that to push? Oh, get one of
You buy one. You buy one.
Look at this, it closes too. Super
Bro.
nice to use. I love it. You can tell they're cheaper aftermarket pads, that's for sure.
Alright.
Blinker.
So you just plug it in and splice it into your blinker?
Yep.
There you go. You don't have to do super good. So then you're just adding this yellow wire to that line.
Yep. You gotta do a little bit of testing to figure out which one's which. But then you come in here, splice them together. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure they're not gonna fall out. And
Let's hook it up to the
then
blinker.
repeat for the white wire. Splice in the white wire, which should be our negative. Okay, check that. Get this guy in here. Alright.
Have it spliced in.
Yeah.
Just disconnect it. Splice in the white wire and the yellow wire. Plug it back in.
Get that blinker.
The blinker's blinking.
Oh.